Good morning. Doing some fill-in work today. Running a little 90-ton RT. It's a GRT8090. I haven't seen one of these before. Nice little, it's not touch screen, but you've got some controls here to go into your menus. You've got a different screen, basically like the old EKS5 or ECOS5, but now you got some controls here, a little multi-function. It's actually really nice. Throws ice cubes, so I got the AC off right now. Doing some false work at a medical building. Looks like they kind of screwed the guys up with trucks today, and now we're going to be picking up, I don't know, different things. They just had me fly a pallet of some wood and a couple up into the tower. I got 2 towers behind me. One we've got fully enclosed with the inside false work, and the other one's just the rebar. You might be able to see that. So I should be setting some false work on the inside of that one. Got another RT behind me doing another wall, and supposed to move closer to help out with these towers, but we'll find out what these guys got going on. Should be an 8-hour day. I'm in Irvine right now. I live in Long Beach, so it's a little bit of a drive, but not bad. And then this place is a stickler. They don't want us going over 75%, so get it close. The guy said 80, but 75 is critical. I don't know if he knows that. Anyways, yeah, it's a nice little crane. It's clean. Somebody shorter than me was in here, so I had to clean up the behind the seat, get all the rags folded up. But it looks like they're getting ready to rig, and I don't have a phone stand or a way to mount my phone yet, so I'll get back with that one. But just wanted to post a quick one, kind of give you an idea where I'm at today, and we'll go from there.